In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted notes on your iPhone using Apple Notes and iCloud. Losing a cherished note can be a frustrating experience, but fortunately, Apple Notes makes it relatively simple to retrieve those lost files. Whether you've accidentally deleted a shopping list, a heartfelt journal entry, or your latest brainstorm session, fear not. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to recover your important notes quickly and effortlessly. Let's kick things off by opening the Notes app on your iPhone. This app is, by default, one of the built-in applications that Apple provides on its devices. It offers a robust and versatile platform for organizing your thoughts, to-do lists, and more. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the list of folders. This is where you'll find a very important folder called Recently Deleted. Tap on this folder. It's here that your deleted notes are kept for a period before being permanently erased from your device. This feature is a bit like a safety net, ensuring that anything accidentally removed can be rescued in a timely manner, usually within 30 days. In the recently deleted folder, you now have the chance to find the note or notes you'd like to recover. Scroll through this folder carefully. The interface should be familiar as it mirrors the layout of your regular Notes app display, but with an important difference: everything here is on the brink of being permanently wiped. Make sure to take this chance to restore anything you know you need. Once you've located the notes you want to keep, it's time to get them back into normal circulation. This process is straightforward. Simply tap on the edit button at the top right corner of your screen. Next, you'll see small circles appear next to each note. Tap the circles to select the notes you'd like to recover. Once selected, look for the option that says Move To. Tap it and you'll be given choices on where you can relocate your note. You can choose to move it back under iCloud storage or save it directly to On My iPhone, depending on how you prefer to organize your notes. If your device is set to sync with iCloud, any notes you move back into your iCloud storage will also reappear on other Apple devices you use. This synchronization allows for seamless access to your notes, no matter which device you're holding, so make sure iCloud Sync is enabled across your gadgets. This tip could save you time and hassle when switching between devices. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to restore your cherished notes using Apple Notes. Thanks to the recently deleted folder and iCloud integration, retrieving your lost thoughts has never been easier. We hope this guide has been helpful, providing you peace of mind, knowing that your notes can be safe and quickly recoverable. Thanks for watching, and happy note taking.